Welcome to the Machine Knitting Hub how-to series. Today we're looking at the E-wrap cast on. Before you begin, place the carriage on the right hand side and bring forward to the E position the required needles. Secure the tail and loop the yarn around the first needle on the left counterclockwise. Continue counterclockwise using the E-wrap method on all the following needles. After E-wrapping the last needle, add the cast-on comb and weights. Then add the yarn into the feed A, and close the gate. Little tip, don't make the loops too tight or too loose.